Welcome to today's blog. It's Ken Sloopers, live in Canada.blog 36. And this is Salmonier Nature Park. And it's wonderful because it's free. Uncle Terry didn't have to get his fencing out. And we can see animals and boardwalks and beautiful scenery all around. And there's a bald eagle over there, but you can't see it. That's why it's free. Welcome to today's blog 36. This is Nature Park, Salmonier Nature Park in Newfoundland, Canada. And it's free to enter, and me and Uncle Terry discovered why. It's a long walk. You get there and they tell you you're going to see animals. Moose was on the loose, never see him. Bald eagles, tell you're going to see bald eagle. Well, in the bald eagle enclosure is a stuffed toy, and she just not good enough. And then there's snowshoe hares, no-shoe hares. Disgusting. End of today's vlog.